Are you tired of starting strong and falling off? Feeling stuck in cycles of procrastination, distraction, or burnout? You know you're capable of more, but something keeps holding you back. It's not motivation you're missing. It's a system, a mindset, a strategy that actually sticks. That's why I created the ultimate self-help video course bundle. 25 powerful video trainings, each one laser-focused on a skill that transforms how you show up every single day. We're talking focus that locks in, consistency that sticks, resilience that doesn't quit, work ethic that leaves no excuses, and so much more. These aren't fluffy lectures. Each course is practical, fast-paced, and built to help you take real action. Short lessons, clear steps, no filler. You'll learn how to beat distractions, finish what you start, stay disciplined, even when motivation fades. These are the habits high performers actually use. And now you can too, whether you're trying to build momentum, start a business, level up at work, or just stop quitting on yourself. This bundle is your daily advantage. You don't need another YouTube rabbit hole or 300-page book. You need simple, powerful tools that fit into real life. And that's exactly what these 25 courses give you. Normally, getting access to this kind of training would cost hundreds. But today, you can grab the entire bundle, all 25 self-help video courses, for a small one-time fee. So, what are you waiting for? Click the Buy Now button below and get it now.